Picture this. It's a regular Tuesday, you're driving home from work and suddenly bam! An unexpected fender bender. Now, you're stuck with a damaged car and an impending insurance claim process that could take weeks. Sounds familiar, right? Well, not anymore. Enter Blackcoffer, a global team of experts who are revolutionizing the way insurance claims are processed, especially for auto insurance. Blackcoffer saw an opportunity to streamline the cumbersome, manual and time-consuming process by implementing artificial intelligence and automation. Partnering with one of the leading insurance firms in the USA, Blackcoffer embarked on a multi-step project to transform the client's traditional insurance claim procedure. The result? A well-defined, efficient, and centralized solution for global services. Blackcoffer introduced an AI-driven application to the client's server, replacing the existing manual process. This application, operating during business hours across all business locations globally, implemented efficient simulation and estimation methods to identify major and minor damages to vehicles. The impact of this transformation was massive. Instead of waiting for weeks, the identification process for insurance claims was reduced to mere minutes. The accuracy of categorizing damages into minor and major was improved to an impressive 92%. But the benefits didn't stop there. Operational costs were slashed by more than 60%, thanks to the establishment of this automation and AI-driven application service. Customer service was enhanced by speeding up the claim amount processing, leading to happier customers and a 25% increase in revenue. So, the problem was clear. A lengthy manual insurance claim procedure. The solution? Blackcoffer's AI and automation application, which revolutionized the process. The impact? A significant reduction in time and costs, improved accuracy, and a substantial increase in revenue. In the world of insurance, time is money. And with Blackcoffer's help, this leading insurance firm found a way to save both, all while improving customer experience. That's the power of technology, the power of innovation, and the power of Blackcoffer.